Breakfast, folks. It's breakfast time. Today, we're going to have pancakes, bacon, sausage, and you know what? Is that my oven turned off. Start. Ah! Got it. Okay, oven's getting hot. So again, we're going to have pancakes, eggs, bacon and sausage, and maybe even some hash browns. I think I saw some. Oh boy said we can use whatever's in here, so look at that. Shredded hash browns. Let's get it. How does this happen? Oh my gosh. Okay. So we about to have some breakfast.
Okay. So what's going on here?
Bacon? Yeah. That's gonna be the easiest way to cook it. Throw the shit in the oven.
Yep.
Pancakes. Okay, so we got bacon going down. The pancakes went down. But we got pancakes and eggs and sausage. I was gonna make those hash browns in there, but they look a little suspect, so we're gonna leave them in the freezer. Yeah, they look a little freezer burn, so we ain't gonna mess with it. Y'all, this shit's fancy. Let's see here. Do it like this?
Yeah.
On? Okay. Okay. Tell people we're going.
We're going to BlackHills, Harley.
All righty.
Rapid City.
Yeah. So the other day we went, we had like 10 minutes to look and see. But today, we about to go play in the streets in the rain because it's been raining all day. So we tired of sitting here at the house and we about to ride over here. It's only like, what, 3.9 miles from our Airbnb. So, hey, let's go get it. Let's see what they got to offer. Big thighs and this rain suit ain't going together very well.
I think it's the latter more so than the other one.
Are you ready? Are you ain't got your helmet?
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just tweak your body, your mind. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling with you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Y'all, we made it out. Even though it is raining, we made it out. Oh. I don't ever want to be escorted by security. Ever. So, nah. I'm really looking for that one tent.
The biggest tents you see.
Oh, yeah.
Those gonna be the ones Harley put out books. We out the range.
Yeah. So we saw on YouTube that Harley has a discount tent posted up out here. They got an ATM. They want your money. So we about to go find this tent. See what they got up in that joker. I got a few dollars to spend. We in that thing. Rain and all.
In that rain.
Oh, Jess ain't feeling it back there. It's okay. We gonna make the best of this though. So we're trying to see what's really going on with this bike, because it is boom, boom, bang. So this is the Harley tent with all the bikes they got. They say you want a bike? They got it right up in here. Come and check them out. Now this damn thing right here is clean. That thing right there is clean. Yo, Jess, boom, there you go, right there, girl. Yes, you would. That thing is nice. Yo, look what I see. I bet you it's the bike that Joe was talking about. I bet you this is the bike that Joe said when he saw it, he thought of me. Right here. Yo. Oh, yeah? That joker nice. I like that. Savage. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that seat. Oh, look at that. That thing is sweet. Oh, shoot. That thing is sweet. Right?
See?
Yes. Man, for real. Hey, did that call your name? It's calling your name, ain't it, girl? Yo, that green hitting though. Hey, right next to the BMW. It's a BMW, right? Yeah. Yo, this place has endless number of bikes. You want a bike? They got it for you, okay? You name it, they got it for you. Wow. Okay, here is the Harley adventure bike. Hey, we're gonna get some of these one day and go on an adventure. These things sit up high though. Like I tried to sit on one and I barely could even stand it up. Yeah. So I'm slacking, y'all. We got food from one of these tents over here. He got him a pork tenderloin. I got the corn dog and fries, and man, that stuff was so good. We vowed to not even take no pictures. But this is a little food venue they have here at the BlackHills Harley Davidson. Now we're gonna go inside and see if we can spend some money. Well, y'all, we headed home. We came, we saw, we bought, and now back to the Airbnb we go. Bikes await us. We closed this damn place down last night, but that's okay.